Prevention of air pollutions. There are various air pollution control technology and land use planning strategy available to reduce air pollution. Following are the commonly used pollution control devices by industry or transportation devices. Different techniques are used for controlling air pollution caused by gaseous pollutants and that caused by particulate pollutants. Methods of controlling gaseous pollutants. First method say the air pollution caused by gaseous pollutants like hydrocarbons, sulfur dioxide, ammonia, carbon monoxide can be controlled by using three different methods: combustion, absorption and adsorptions. जो भी गैसियस पोल्यूटेंट्स है, गैसियस प्रदूषक है, कौन कौन से? हाइड्रोकार्बन्स, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड्स, अमोनिया, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड can be controlled by using three different methods. कौन कौन सी मेथड्स है? कंबस्शन, कंबस्शन मतलब अपन उसको जला सकते, एब्सॉर्प्शंस एंड एडसॉर्प्शन. तो फर्स्ट मेथड देखते, कंबस्शन मेथड्स. दिस टेक्निक इज अप्लाइड when the pollutants are organic gases or vapors. The organic air pollutants are subjected to home combustion or catalytic combustions when they are converted to less harmful product, carbon dioxide and harmless product waters. तो combustion मतलब जो भी ऑर्गेनिक एयर पॉल्यूटेंट्स है आर सब्जेक्टेड टू होम कंबस्शन और कैटालिटिक कंबस्शन व्हेन दे आर कन्वर्टेड टू लेस हार्मफुल प्रोडक्ट्स, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड्स. तो फर्स्ट मेथड कौन सी है? कंबस्शंस. नेक्स्ट मेथड्स है एब्सॉर्प्शन मेथड्स. In this method, the polluted air containing gaseous pollutants is passed through scrubber containing a suitable liquid absorbent. The liquid absorbs the harmful gaseous pollutants present in air. स्क्रबर मतलब रगड़ने वाला, स्क्रबर मतलब रगड़ने वाला. थ्रो अ स्क्रबर कंटेनिंग सुटेबल लिक्विड. ये जो स्क्रबर रखने वाला है उसमें क्या है? एक सुटेबल लिक्विड ऐड करो. ऐड करने से जो भी हार्मफुल गैसियस है वो हार्मफुल गैसियस क्या करेगा? वो एब्सॉर्ब करेगा. क्या करेगा? वो एब्सॉर्ब करेगा. मतलब ये भी एक एब्सॉर्प्शन मेथड से एयर पॉल्यूशन क्या होगा? कंट्रोल होगा. देन एडसॉर्प्शन मतलब शोषण, एडसॉर्प्शंस. तो थर्ड मेथड है एडसॉर्प्शन. इन दिस मेथड्स द polluted air is passed through porous solid adsorbents kept in suitable container. The gaseous pollutants are adsorbed at the surface of the porous solid and clean air passes through. मतलब पोरस, पोरस का मतलब सच्छिद्र. पोरस सॉलिड एडसॉर्बेंट केप्ट इन सुटेबल कंटेनर. एक कंटेनर में रखो पोरस सॉलिड एडसॉर्बेंट. और ये क्या करेगा? जो भी गैसियस पॉल्यूटेंट्स है और क्या करेगा? pollutants or adsorb at the surface of the porous solid and clean air passes through. Next, methods of controlling particulate emission. The air pollution caused by particulate matters like dust, ash can be controlled by using fabric filters, wet scrubber, electrostatic precipitator and certain mechanical devices. ये प्रोसेस से भी अपन जो पर्टिकुलेट इमिशन है उसको क्या करेंगे, कंट्रोल करेंगे. तो मैकेनिकल डिवाइसेस, फर्स्ट it works on the basis of following: gravity. In this process the particulates settle down by the action of gravitational force and get removed. Sudden change in the direction of air flow, it brings about separation of a particle due to the greater momentum. Then fabric filter, fabric मतलब कपड़ा, fabric filters the particular matters is passed through a porous medium made of oven, filt and fabrics. इसके वजह से भी फैब्रिक फिल्टर के वजह से भी क्या होगा, एयर पॉल्यूशन क्या होगा, कंट्रोल हो जाएगा. देन नेक्स्ट है द पर्टिकुलेट्स प्रेजेंस, the polluted air are filtered and gets collected in the fabric filters while the gases are discharged. The process of controlling air pollution by using fabric filters is called back filtrations. Wet scrubber, they are used to trap SO2, NH3 and metal fumes by passing the fumes through water. Electrostatic precipitators, tall chimneys should be installed in factories. Better design equipments and smokeless fuels should be used in homes and industries. Renewable and non-polluting source of energy like solar energy, wind energy should be used. Solar energy, wind energy should be used and renewable energy. इससे भी एयर पॉल्यूशन क्या होगा, कंट्रोल हो जाएगा. Automobiles should be properly maintained and adhere to the emission control standards. More trees should be planted along roadsides and houses. It causes greenhouse effects or global warming, which leads to excessive heating of Earth's atmosphere, further leading to the weather variability and rise in the sea level. The increased temperature causes melting of ice caps and resulting in the floods. Then next है these prevention methods. These prevention methods can come either from government laws or by individual actions. In many big cities, monitoring equipments has been installed at many points in the city. Government or community level preventions. They can either destroy contamination or remove them from an exhaust stream before it is emitted into the atmosphere. Particulates control, mechanical collectors, dust cyclones, multicyclones, electrostatic air cleaner is a particulate collection device that removes particles from a flowing air using force of induced electrostatic charge. It is highly efficient filtration devices which can easily remove the particulates matters such as dust and smoke from the air stream. Particulate scrubber, wet scrubber is a form of pollution control technology which is polluted gas stream is brought in contact with the scrubbing liquid by spraying it with the liquid by forcing it through pool of liquid or by some other contact method so as to remove the pollutants. स्क्रबर जब भी मैंने बताया स्प्रे स्क्रबर, साइक्लोनिक स्प्रे स्क्रबर, इजेक्टर स्क्रबर, मैकेनिकली एडेड स्क्रबर, स्प्रे टावर एंड वेट स्क्रबर. इसकी वजह से भी पोल्यूशन क्या होगा, कंट्रोल होगा. Selective catalytic reduction, selective non-catalytic reductions, exhaust gas recirculations, catalytic converter, also for volcanic controls, acid gas like sulfur dioxide control, wet scrubber, dry scrubber, flue gas desulfurizations, then absorption scrubbing, mercury controls, electrocatalytic oxidations. Next, the government through the world have already taken action against air pollution by introducing green energy. Some government are investing in a wind energy and solar energy as well as the other renewable energy sources to minimize burning of fossil fuels which causes heavy air pollutions. Government are also forcing companies to be more responsible with the manufacturing activities so that even though the still cause pollution, they are a lot under controls. Companies are also building more energy efficient cars which pollutes less than before. Individual level preventions, recycle and reusing, this will minimize the dependence of producing new things. Remember that manufacturing industries create a lot of pollutions, so if you can reuse things like sapping plastic bags, clothing, paper and bottles, it can help. Encourage your family to use the bus, train or bike when community. Use energy, light energy, water, boiler, kettle and firewoods. The next part remaining we will take tomorrow.